Is Nano Dimensions Limited stock a buy? Nano Dimensions closed the session of the 31st of March 2021 at $8.59 in the pre-market session currently of the 1st of April 2021. It has 83,700 shares that have crossed the tape so far and has a market cap of $2.1 billion, 248 million point 833 shares have crossed are rather outstanding, and 10% of the shares are held by institutions including ARK Investment. And moving down, we can see that the stock is trading at a discount to all of its short and intermediate trend lines, and it will not last. So let's go ahead and look at this piece written on Invest in Place. It says this is as far back as not far back, but just only on the 30th of March. It says Nano Dimension stock may be unfairly overlooked as enticing electric vehicle stocks and celebrity SPAC plays are dominating investor interest at the moment. That said, this provider of intelligent machines for the fabrication of additively manufactured electronics is an attractive investment here. In the last month, NNDM stock has fallen 21% over the first time. For the first time in a while, it's trading at a very attractive multiple. So far, going by what we're looking at right now, it has lost about 50% of its value since the last 1 year. Its all-time high is it's nearly roughly double what it is currently trading at right now. So it has lost half of its value from that all-time high value. So if we have to return again, we'll see that it's saying here, according to Statista, the market size for global 3D printing products and services is forecasted to surpass $40 billion by 2024, achieving a compound annual growth of 26.4% from 2020 to 2024. And Nano Dimensions premier offerings is its artificial intelligence powered DragonFly 3D printing system. The machine is designed to overcome the challenges of printing multiple layers of electronically conductive and dielectric materials at high resolution. So yes, so one of the key things that is behind NNDM's plummet at the moment is that it hasn't really earned a lot of money. It says somewhere it has only earned about it says for the full year 2020, the company earned just $3.4 million, hardly the kind of figure that will have investors jumping for joy. The thing is, if you want to value NNDM, it has to be on prospects. Yes, so it is definitely on prospects that you are getting to NNDM. NNDM is obviously a tech stock. And moving downwards, we can see that it is clearly, without any doubt, correcting. It is saying down here that NNDM appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend. So the longer term bullish trend will be the 200-day trend line. Although its MACD is presently below its signal line, shares remain for 6.6% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. So it is lagging the S&P 500. So if you notice some of the videos we may have been covering, the stock itself tend to trade at maybe triple digits above the trend lines, the longer term trend line. But you can see here it is only trading at 46%. So this is not impressive as in relative terms. So momentum for NNDM is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. So we can see that here, no doubt about that. You can see that it is below 20 and probably declining. And the unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. But even at that, it is still a volatile stock. It's still saying that its Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reverse in a near-term trend. Yeah. So in the near term. Sorry. So we can see that evidently, yes, the stock has continued to pull back. So but currently, as of the 31st of March, it's actually gained a small fraction. So technically, it is definitely a buy on prospects. Yes, it's still a buy as well. Fundamentals are right. It's the company's it's already in business, doing business, already manufacturing, and the future is we're moving in that direction as well. The 3D manufacturing and all that stuff. It all fits into this whole green drive, and it fits in well. Additive manufacturing or 3D manufacturing, they all fit in very well. NNDM is already in that space already. Technically, absolutely no doubt about it. It is a buy. Fundamentally, wonderfully, it is a buy. We don't have any figure on the short interest, but it's saying this 5.66%. It could be more or less. So, but anytime, any day, it is a buy. So the other question is, would you want to buy that? It seems to have a price of $8.61, but that may be of concern to certain market participants, but it's an investment. So yeah, unfortunately, it's not trading at penny stock levels. So that's how it is, and that's what's currently presenting. It's presenting a buying opportunity. Yeah. So if you want to get involved, by all means do so, and always balance your strategy, but always balance the amount of money you want to get in with, and see how it goes from there. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.